From there, your lordships can call out what exactly happened in this case after the investigation started. From there, your lordships, the first entry has to be the UDA case number because it was lodged at
That is form 5363.
5363.
Do you have a pro forma of the form?
At the moment, I don't have it. But I can hand it over
Case
to
diary would have been handed over to the CBI.
Please do that. Please do that to me. I'll hand it over to this.
Well, let's.
Mr.
says case
Just
diary
look at form 5363 and keep it ready on the next date.
536.
5363, sir.
Just keep it ready.
Three.
We'll examine it on the
Find out.
My lord, various
My lords, one last thing that
colleges-
my lords may record.
various colleges. One,
22nd August.
Yeah.
National Task Force will be doing its work. In the meanwhile, CCTV cameras and distress
Yes.
call systems be installed in all hospitals. So that should be implemented firstly, my lord. Secondly, my lord, I have a suggestion that there
We
should
filed the report, my lord.
be connectivity between all hospitals and the nearest police station. That's one. And secondly, my lord, whenever a complaint is filed, why should a victim have to go to the police station if there is any incident of violence or harassment? The management of the hospital should be the complainant. That's second. And thirdly, my lord, we should go beyond the CCTV cameras. There should be wearable devices, in the as a badge or on the wrist, where if there is any violent incident, that should be immediately that should lead to an alarm.
That we have asked the committee specifically to formulate its
Let's do
clarity.
tomorrow.
We expect the committee to come out with its
My lords, that's due tomorrow. Could that be placed then on the next occasion? Because our doctors, my lords, are working, they're back at work and they are not feeling safe.
Well, they are not
So,
back at work. This
my
is one of the issues I've raised, Mother.
25,000 doctors are back at
So,
work.
Sibal,
One second.
we would expect the state of West Bengal to put into place, even without waiting for the report of the National Task Force,
My doctors are.
basic measures for ensuring.
We have done it, Mother. We've done it already, Mother. We filed an application.
Your status report merely indicates that funds have been sanctioned.
No, 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 no.
Not
no, Mother.
indicated what steps have been adopted on the site.
Report, Health Secretary says all that, Mother.
my lord,
But
my
can I,
lord, the CISF.
If there are goons
If-
in the
Mother,
hospital.
can I have the liberty, Mother, at least to address your losses for 5-7 minutes, Mother?
That's the report of the health department.
Yes, yes.
Let's see what you have done.
My
Mother,
lord, seek urgent direction.
One second.
My
Just because there's a moment of silence is not a reason for everybody to just,
says State Department through, your losses may see, page 1, 2, the surveillance, the
no,
restroom.
page 1 is state government has issued comprehensive guideline on 19th August.
Next page.
Next page, Mother, next page.
Sanction 37.28
No,
crore.
no, and after that, CCTV, Mother. CCTV surveillance cameras in medical colleges, other hospitals, state government has taken and installed additional CCTV cameras
If
in all government.
7,747 CCTV cameras were functioning in medical colleges, why would this offense have taken place?
Yes, yes, yeah, you're right, you're right.
But state government has taken the initiative to install additional 6,178 CCTV cameras.
Yeah.
Are being constructed. 893 additional duty restrooms are being constructed. Illumination is, state government is looking at the installation.
That naturally, Mother, these are not, they're not available there, Mother, so we have to do this right away, Mother.
But tell us one thing, what is it that the state government has installed at RG Corp, for instance? Tell us at RG Corp what
Today,
additional equipment has been installed after we took charge of the matter.
All right, I will tell you that, Mother.
Not just that sanctions have been issued. We
No,
want
no,
to
no,
know
your
what is
lordship
the,
is absolutely
what
right.
is the, what is the progress on the ground that the
Let's
state government?
kindly see, we have said at page 4, Mother, that we are taking up works regarding security infrastructure upgradation of RGKR Medical College as suggested by CISF and assigned an amount of 50, a copy of memo dated so-and-so, so-and-so. State government has given
Taking up
district
work,
helpline numbers. CFS told us we are moving forward, Mother, in that direction.
Tell us by the next day
Very well.
on what steps have actually been implemented on the ground.
Sure, Mother, we'll do that.
we are back at work, my lords.
Definitely.
And let the district collector, we look at the government hospitals. Let the district
There are
collector,
7, Mother.
just
There
one
are
second,
7.
please.
At work.
Let the district collectors engage with the heads of each of the government medical colleges and ensure that whatever steps have to be taken are taken in the next 1 week.
Very well, we'll do that. But in the
My
meantime,
lord, my lord,
may I be able,
We'd be very grateful.
can I have 5-7 minutes of your lordship's time, Mother? I'm sorry to trouble your lordships. Mullahs, kindly have a look at page 5 of this report, Mullahs. Para 7. So see the problem that we are facing. 23 people have died, Mullahs, because they don't come to work. Para 7, further, the resident doctors of different medical colleges and hospitals across the state have been abstaining from duty for the last 28 days. The healthcare system is facing severe disruptions and can come to a standstill as resident doctors are the backbone of the healthcare in government medical colleges and hospitals. Due to continued ceased work, public at large is suffering. Some of the details are as follows. 6 lakh individuals have been denied treatment as resident doctors are not attending OPDs. Where do we go from here, Mullahs? Causing the delayed number of attendees of government medical colleges to drop from 70,000 to 40,000. This has restricted access to specialty and super specialty treatments, especially to poor patients such as cardiology, oncology, neurology. These facilities are only available in medical colleges. Cardiology treatments such as stenting and angiography have been withheld for approximately 1,500 patients. Then, Mullahs, 20 cases of deaths have occurred. In the meantime, Mullahs, we are now, another 3 have died, Mullahs. They don't go to work.
May I answer
And, Mullahs,
that?
1 second.
My lord,
They ju-
may I
Mullahs,
answer?
Your Lordship said last time, I remember now, allow me to please say something. Your Lordship said
Can
last
I-
time that you must
can-
go back to work. They
Can
don't
I
go back to
answer?
work, Mullahs. And
Can I answer that?
1 second.
None of our doctors are on stress.
Before you answer it, allow him to make his point.
Yes,
Exactly right.
yes,
Yes, of
yes.
So, Mullahs, therefore, your Lordships may now indicate in your order that, Mullahs, if they don't go back to work, Mullahs, then proceedings will be taken against them. But it can't be, Mullahs, that people die, they don't go to hospitals, and, Mullahs, if it's a cancer treatment, we are sending them to pilot hospitals and they are dying there because they can't get this treatment.
My lord,
We have, may I help you, booths, Mullahs, we have set up all over
let
we have
me
ransacked
answer.
those booths. This is what's happening on the ground. But Mullahs, because we don't get any time to even address your Lordships on issues. And I'm very happy, Mullahs, at last we've got an opportunity. Then what's happening is, Mullahs, now protests are taking place all over the state. There is no program that is submitted to the police. There is no route that is submitted to the police. There is no permission sought from the police. They are protesting all over the place. Now, Mullahs, what do? This is what's happening on the ground. And now, Mullahs, it's turned into something entirely different, which I don't want to mention, Mullahs.
Who's appearing for the Doctors
My
Association?
lord, I'm appearing for the doctors.
I am
Mullahs,
from
41,
senior
if I
doctors, my
show
lord.
your Lordship the
See,
photographs,
sorry,
41
work.
police
Let's-
personnel have been injured.
Senior doctors.
One has lost his eye permanently.
Senior
And,
doctors.
Mullahs, I've seen the photograph.
Not by doctors.
And they are denying treatment to the police. That's the other thing that's happening. And there's blood over their bodies, Mullahs. I have the photographs with me. If I show them to you, your Lordship
My lord,
shout.
I, my lord, I appear for the
Mullahs, kindly
doctors
see now.
front.
Mullahs, kindly see the page 69. Yes, kindly see page 69. Page 73 of our status report, of the police report. Mullahs, kindly, just give me.
The state was
Allow
quite
me, Mullahs.
silent.
One
Lord.
second, please.
State
Mr.
was quite
Solicitor, I
silent
never
when your lordships
interrupted
were
you. Allow me
examining
to
the
say
offence.
something.
Now the state has
Mr.
become aggressive.
Solicitor, allow me to say something, please.
Lord.
Doing this all the time, interrupting whenever we, Mullahs, kindly come to an extra 44, page 73. Allow me. Please allow me.
Saying that
Mullahs, this is not fair, Mullahs.
highest authorities of the state of West Bengal,
Mullahs-
they have said that a person had died within
Mullahs-
the first continuous and profuse bleeding.
Allah-
But that was a statement made on social media by one of the.
Mullahs, kindly see 73.
On duty, are they not on?
No.
My lords, if I may
Allow-
clarify, there are two
Can I-
sets of doctors.
Can I address your lordship
1 second.
one
Yes.
by one?
Order. Do we record the assurance of all the council appearing on behalf of the doctors that you are on duty and you're not abstaining from work?
They are on
We are
duty,
not
they are not,
on
and
duty.
they will say why. We are on duty.
1 second.
Can I
Miss
address your
Silvia?
lordship?
Yes, what is your statement?
So our statement is that the West Bengal Calcutta doctors, junior doctors are not on duty. There are 1737 hospitals and nursing homes in West Bengal, in which 1500 are fully on duty. Senior doctors, even in the balance, 200 odd are also on duty, but the junior doctors are not on duty because
Across the state of West Bengal?
no, Calcutta, only Calcutta.
Yes.
So the figures are for the whole of West Bengal, but the ones who are not on duty are in Calcutta and its periphery. They are not on duty because they are still getting threats. People are being told, we know your father's in government service. We know what you will face.
No
I have
complaint has
given-
been filed, they say anything.
1 minute. I have filed an application. I have given in sealed cover the name of some of the miscreants in KG court, RG court. And I have given a detail of at least 5 or 10 hospitals
Rudra, we
and
will
colleges.
direct that if the doctors resume work immediately, no adverse action shall be taken against them presently because of the fact that we are seized with the matter.
My lord, can I
But
request?
equally now, if they do not resume work as doctors, then we can't restrain the state government from taking disciplinary action. That's entirely within their jurisdiction.
My lord, first the action has to be from miscreants who are actually threatening them day in and day out. I have given examples of complaints by Burdwan Hospital, Midnapur Hospital, Medical College, Kolkata. North, I didn't want to burden your lordship, so I gave 4 examples in Calcutta itself, where there are threats to the doctors from within and without, just because, so we had, obviously, my lord, all they are asking, we should have separate rooms, separate toilets.
these-
I'll tell your
What
lordship,
are the threats about?
the threats are they are just bullying, beating. 1 minute, because several of these persons supported the RG Kaur protests. So many of them are being victimized. There's a group which is being headed by a medical forum. I don't want to name it. I don't want to make it any political. I'm only saying apolitically that it cannot be that just because these students, and they are doing volunteer duty just outside the hospital in camps. They are working in various health clinics, and I can show the photographs.
Might as well go back to your work
No,
in the
because
hospital.
there we are receiving, so what I'm saying, we need a room for females to rest at night because 36-hour duty. We need a room for males separately. We need toilets for them. We need CCTVs. We need senior women, CISF people near us so that we are not threatened. I have no difficulty. If I can work inside, I can work inside, but I have to have
not
a
working.
safe environment.